In the unexpected realm of animal behavior, certain birds have baffled researchers with their peculiar practice known as anting. This behavior involves birds intentionally covering themselves with ants, a fascinating and strange anomaly in the natural world. The ants release formic acid, which acts as both an insect repellent and a soothing balm for the bird's feathers. Although the reason behind this bizarre habit isn't entirely understood, it's thought to help in controlling parasites that plague the birds. This peculiar defense mechanism captivates scientists and inspires awe, presenting an extraordinary example of nature's innovative solutions to survival challenges.